balance owed, so they're zeroed out. They're zeroed out. So as far as your credit profile is concerned, if you're trying to get a home, I'm not speaking towards any other loan. All right. But all in all, you do want to get this repo off the credit report. It's an eyesore. Look how it's reporting. I talked to y'all so many times about colors. Colors are a problem. This is a problem. So you want to get it off. Now, there's certain situations, and if it's not on this credit report, I'll show you another credit report where it's a repo. Like the client knows it's a repossession. I know it's a repossession, but it's not marked as a repossession. And I'll show you guys that too. Okay, so this person has two repos and it's reporting as a repo, but let me see, is there a balance? Sometimes they'll keep a balance and it shouldn't be on there, and how they reported this was correct. So this is the original creditor. It was not sold, the debt was not sold off. This is with the original creditor co-sign. See, yeah, you guys got to be careful with co-signing. I did it. I'm gonna repost the video on that, yeah. Stop co-signing for people, especially if you know they're irresponsible or you think they're responsible. Don't co-sign for people and you're the one that's got to flip the bill. Like, come on, man. Let's chill on that. This person has two repos now. All right. Look at them colors. Too many colors. So this is a repo and says it's repo. It looks like they probably paid on the loan again. But this repo, even though it's closed, it's saying closed and current, and then unknown, and then current, right? The inconsistencies of it all. But it's a bad look, and it's an eyesore on your credit report, so you want to get it off.